Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the unidentified network problem in Windows 11. If your internet says unidentified network and shows no internet access, don't worry. This guide is very easy and perfect for beginners. Let's start with the quickest solution. First, restart your computer. Many network problems are temporary and a simple restart can fix them. If the issue is still there, let's try the next step. Restart your modem and router. Turn them off and unplug them from the power. Wait for about 30 seconds. Now plug them back in and turn them on. Wait until all the lights become stable. Now check your internet connection again. If the problem continues, let's move forward. Click on the Start button and open Settings. Now click on Network and Internet. Click on Advanced Network Settings, then click on Network Reset. Click Reset Now and confirm. Your computer will restart automatically. This resets all network settings and fixes most unidentified network errors. After restarting, check your connection again. If it's still not working, let's try another easy fix. Right-click on the Start button and open Device Manager. Find Network Adapters and expand it. Right-click on your Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter and click Update Driver. Select Search Automatically for drivers. Let Windows install the driver if available. Once done, restart your computer. If the unidentified network problem is still there, try this. Open Settings again, go to Network and Internet, click on Ethernet or Wi-Fi depending on what you're using, and make sure Network Profile is set to Private. Now close Settings and check your internet. And that's it. This is how you fix the unidentified network error in Windows 11 using simple and safe steps. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.